You're gonna want these poly mailers if you're mailing anything. These packaging envelopes are very strong, very, like, I'm pushing hard and it's not coming through. Like, push, push, push. The seam's also very strong. I wish I could show you how hard I'm pulling on it. Self-adhesive, self-sealing. You pull this off. Pack an order here. Fold it over. Peel that self-adhesive strip off. And it just grabs. It's on there. It's nice and strong. It's solid. 14.5 by 10. If you go from the flap, you're 13. Get yourself these for your business, mailing, whatever you need. Get them. They're good.